Hey guys, it's Kevin. Today we're going to install a Duplexer drive shaft into this ET-8550 Duplexer. Most of you don't know this hidden gem. There's an edge guide in this Duplexer that can detach it. See, just squeeze both sides, there's a tab in the middle, very easy to take off. So what this thing is for? This is ET-8550. In the back, after remove the Duplexer, you can put this guide in here. Now, if you have a long roll of film or really long paper, you don't have a feed from the duplexer anymore. To install it, just match the middle tab and then push down both sides, and now suddenly you can use rolls. How did I know about this? You can go to BCH and go search for ET-8550 parts list. We can get this document. I'm still working on this, so every time I do an update, you should automatically receive a download link to download the newest version. And also, I put my new version number here, so if you come back a year later, you can match the current version. And if you did not get the download link, you can just email support@bchtechnologies.com and give me your order number, and I'll send you out the most recent version. Anyway, I'm trying to make this document totally clickable. If I have a new video come up, I'll put the video link here. For example, if you don't know how to disassemble the front panel, and it will not only jump to the video,
and we take out
but
this screw
also jump to
underneath
the
the tank. You
kind
can see a tab.
when
Push
I
that
show
tab in.
this. And for the parts, my design is if you click the individual number, it will bring you to the parts. But right now, there's so many parts I'm still putting on it. That's why I'm keep updating it. So it's working in progress. If you guys like it, I'm going to do more of those. So today we're talking about Duplexer. That's the edge guide that I was talking about. Because I sell as one unit, no matter if you click 733 or 7701, it jumps to the same page. And here's the guide and Duplexer together. Today we need to install this part, the Duplexer drive shaft. So we're going to click on it, and it looks like this. You have to push in, and it's going to replace this white thing. And if you scroll down, you have this thing called the intermediate roller in the middle, and this is the drive shaft, drive that roller. So I'm going to take the older roller out. Most of the time, the roller got burl on the drive parts. So we're going to replace with this sturdier version. So to be sturdier, and unfortunately, it's a little bit harder to install. See the duplexer upright, we're going to uninstall the 4 screws from the top. Now we can take the top casing off. Notice there's a spring in the middle. Before we remove that spring, we're going to take 4 more screws, 2 on each side. When we leave off the casing, that spring going to fall off, and just save that spring, all right? Now there are 2 smaller springs, 1 on each side, that we can take like either a needle or a tweezer, take those springs out. If you're not sure, take a picture before you remove it. Now this is the final cover that you're going to remove. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how I put it back. And now this is the intermediate roller, and we have the drive shaft. See, the drive shaft has a hole in it, and I have to match up the tab there. This is the OEM one, and the problem with it is it's kind of weak, so I always broke to where the hole is. Now we put this Big Daddy in, and the hole is going to match with the tab, and we give a hard push. You have to push really hard. Yeah, trust me, you're going to be able to push it in, don't worry, and you're going to hear a click. and give a couple turns. Make sure it's going to drive the intermediate roller. And now we're ready to assemble it back. We're going to put this plate back. We'll go a little bit slower for those springs. It's better to have a tweezer so you don't have the spring falls into it. Then you have to remove the cover and do it again. And basically put it on one side, and you're going to see a wrong tab there, and just secure it there. Then give a couple taps, make sure it bounces back, and perfect. Now I'm going to pull this top cover back. And remember, there's a big spring here. For the screw you have, we're going to use the bigger one. Before we put that spring back, we're going to put 4 screws, 2 on each side. Now we can stock that big spring into it, and just make sure it don't fall in. Then you have to unscrew the 4 screws and get it back. Tap it. Yep, perfect. Yep, cool. And then top cover and 4 more small screws on the top. All right. I hope you enjoyed this video. Visit us at bchtechnologies.com or locally, Greensboro, North Carolina. Cheers.